Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to find blocked user on Viber. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, open Viber and click on calls, search contact and click on contact and press contact info. And click on send message. Alright, click on back and chat info and settings and click on right corner pencil and block. Alright, click on cancel, click on save, back, delete, and click on three dots right corner more and click on settings and click on privacy. Scroll down and press block list. Alright, this all number blocked. And click on add number and your contact. Select. Alright. And click on done. Cancel and click on unblock. That's all.